Wow, they got hot. This is idling. Sitting in the yard just idling. Let me guess it one good time. Stab it. 3,000 RPM. Back to idle. This got to be the vacuum leak. I got to fix that. I got to solve that problem. That could be causing the misfires too. I got to solve that problem. Sounds simple, but I've tried 6 or 7 different ways, but I'll fix it. Even if I got to find a bypass and just let it vent out to the atmosphere, I'll fix it. Thank you.